The Module 1, 3-statement modeling and valuation, is a very interesting course. In that course, you're going to start literally with a blank Excel file, forecast financial statements for a publicly traded company. Any company in the world will pick up. And once we forecast the financial statements, we will use the financial statements to value the company using different valuation methods. We're also going to perform scenario analysis, sensitivity analysis. We're going to create a management dashboard. So it's a comprehensive course where you're going to learn the basic bread and butter of a financial modeler, which is the 3-statement modeling, and everything starting with a blank Excel file, no templates, no shortcuts, right? Absolutely everything hands-on. So that's Module 1. Now the Module 2 of Financial Modeling Masterclass focuses on more advanced skills. The Part 1 of the Module 2 focuses on M&A modeling. So if you would like to acquire or analyze an M&A transaction, Part 1 of Module 2 is relevant for you. And then Part 2 focuses on LBO transaction, which is leverage buyout. So if you're working in a private equity fund or a sovereign wealth fund and you want to analyze a PE transaction, LBO modeling, advanced debt modeling, all of that skills are covered within the LBO modeling part. So to summarize, the key elements we are going to cover in the 5-day course is 3-statement modeling, M&A modeling and LBO modeling, and everything which is our core philosophy is starting with blank Excel file and making you understand the process of modeling and model development.